Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are well. As you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those projects to you in which you can increase your earning, you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm here with another great project to share with you all, and you will definitely gonna benefit with that project. So let's move towards site. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today, Alpha Network, and Alpha Network is the future of crypto. You can mine Alpha Coin on your phone. You have a link to download their app as well. You can get their app from Google Play, App Store, or you have a link to direct download APK file. Then the features they are giving it fast transaction, safe, secure authentication, and easy to use platform. We are different. The Alpha coin has a limited supply of 500 million. In this way, we ensure that your coins will hold the value in the future. And now they have left around 300 million of supply. It's fair, decentralized, and honest. What you see is what you get. We proudly present the next chapter of mobile crypto. You have the document of the complete project. You can go through it. You have white paper, so you know you will get all the information of the project right from here. And let's check it out a little bit. But if you want more detailed information, so you can go through it, and I recommend you to better go through it. So, Alpha Network is a revolutionary system that provides an alternative to existing cryptocurrencies models with a focus on balancing the demand and supply of the market. The view of Alpha Network is to provide each player miner a simple, secure, and robust experience in earning Alpha coin, next generation digital asset. The mining experience is playful and straightforward, making it easy for everyone, regardless of background or previous knowledge of the crypto industry, to be able to earn Alpha coin just by tapping on a button on their phone. So they have made it easy for you. You just have to download their app, and all you have to do is to tap a single button. The best part of the concept is that it is entirely free to get started and mine Alpha coin. Just download our app for as long as the supply lasts. More on this below. You just have to download the app and you can start mining right away. Then the project has been structured in three phases in order to create an easy to understand overview of the development plan from the team. Each phase represents a milestone for Alpha Network and can be triggered by a specific event. So they have set three phases, from which the phase one is for mining and user base. The phase one of the project proposes the launch of the initial Alpha Network Miner app, which enables players to start contributing the system by earning Alpha Coin. This is handled for both Android and iOS device in a staged manner, with an initial release on Android followed by iOS. The phase continues with general improvements to the platform until the Alpha Network Wallet app is ready for the market, which we expect to be anywhere from 3 to 6 months. Then transactions and consolidation. The Alpha Network Wallet app is released and provides a secure system for players to make transactions, see their balance, transaction history, and options for investing Alpha coin for the opportunity to earn even more. These, however, will be relieved later on. It's big, so you know that the things are still to come up soon. The phase continues until the Alpha coin pool is drained by its users. Then the last phase, phase 3, is full release mining closed, and the physical mining node PMN software is released for your computer. We expect this to take about 1 to 2 months from when the Alpha coin pool is drained. This software validates transaction for the system to help achieve a fully decentralized system where only the full registry of transaction is kept on the Alpha network domain for transparency purpose. The software doesn't generate new Alpha coin units but instead provides the users that choose to install it the opportunity to participate in the Alpha coin committee. Then you have the problems of cryptocurrencies and mining, and they have given the solution to you as well. You can go through their white paper and you will definitely get all the information regarding their supply and how does it work, etc. So you know you have all the information here. And also we can see that the concept of refer purpose, the ability of miners to authenticate new players. Since each player contributes equally to the network security and stability, The person referring a new player gets a permanent boost to their mining rate. When the refer miner states their user ID refer code at the time of the creating their account, the new miner has the option to enter a refer code at the time of creating their account. While this is not mandatory, it's advised that the new user receives one alpha for using a friend's refer code. So this is a great thing as well. You can even refer your friends and you can join by refer code to get one alpha as a sign up bonus. While the number of new users an existing one can refer is not cap limited, the calculation of the equivalent reward for the refer is reflected by the formula below. So here you have the formula of how does the refer system work. Here we have the details of their journey, how they started in early 2020. We, as a team of software engineers, decided to uncover some of the mysteries behind how cryptocurrencies operate, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. And we have decided to disrupt the cryptocurrency market with an innovative product. At first, such a thing seemed unreal to us, and the complexity of creating such a system felt enormous. Therefore, further research needed to be done before engaging into the task. So, you have all the information of the research, how the research worked out, who did the research. You have all that things mentioned here, and then the details of their mining app. Here, you can have this here as well, and all of the information related to their app, etc. You can have this an app that can mine in the background without interrupting anything else you are doing on your phone. So this is a great thing that any users want. You don't want to interrupt the usage of your phone if you're doing anything on your phone. So you of course don't want to interrupt that, and this app is working as background. You don't have to stop the thing that you will be doing on your phone. This utilizes a background notification channel for communicating with the nodes. Therefore, from the user's perspective, it is independent from the main UI. Or the network status, as the communication only occurs through the synchronized server sites, virtual nodes when the internet is back online and the app is open again. For example, to start a new cycle, check your referral code for inviting someone else or just by checking the status of your mining cycle. So here we have some of the frequently asked questions, and if you have anything in your mind related to the project, so you can go through these questions and you will definitely get the answer. So what is the Alpha Network app? Alpha Network is a mobile app that allows you to mine the Alpha coin crypto only by using the internet. It's crypto mining on your phone, and we are one of the leading companies in this new domain. So here it is that how you can withdraw your coins. Withdrawal is currently not available, but in the near future it will be. Stay tuned and invest your time in our app. Then, is the app safe? Is this a good investment of my time? Will my phone hardware experience any issue? Can I mine from the multiple accounts, etc.? You have all the questions and answers to them as well. And of course, if you want to delete your account, so here's in order to have your account deleted, you can contact us. You have given the email address and provide your username and referral code, sign in method, and a screenshot of your profile page. An operator will handle your request. So you can even delete your account if you want to. Then you have the social channels. You have their Instagram, their YouTube channel, and Facebook. You can follow them on their social channels as well. So you will be notified about all the things happening in their project. So Alpha Network community has grown a lot since they have released, and you have the link to their Telegram announcement and chat room as well. You can join them, so you will have better vision about the community, and you can get in touch with the team as well. And you will know more about the project and the investors. So here you can see that they have already 200,000 plus registered members, and they recommend using Telegram and joining their groups as well to you. Then their journey details, you can go through it. You can have complete information from their white paper, and they have mentioned their journey details on the website as well. You can have look all the details, and then if you're satisfied, you can invest in this site. You can download the app and start mining. It's a completely free app. You just have to download the app and you can start mining right away. I hope you like the website. I'll provide the link in my description so you can easily access the site. And I also mentioned the links to the Telegram community and channel so you can check out that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.